In this video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow against your Bitcoin on Coinbase. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Coinbase has options related to borrowing, and you will be able to find them when you open the app and use the menu at the top left. So on the home screen of the app, open the menu, and you should be able to find Borrow. If you don't see the borrow option listed, it could mean that it is either not available anymore, not available for your region, or your account simply does not have access to this. But if you see borrow listed here, just go ahead and select it. Immediately upon selecting borrow, you will see the way that it works. Get a USDC loan with your Bitcoin, so you will be able to borrow against Bitcoin. Need cash to pay bills or send to family? Now you don't have to sell your Bitcoin. Instead, you can use it as collateral for an on-chain loan. So tap continue and follow the instructions on screen. You will be able to input the amount that you want to borrow. You will see the adjust LTV option, which is essentially how much you will be able to get. And you will see all of the information listed here. Borrow, the variable APR percentage, and the collateral, how much you have available. You can use the borrow maximum amount button, or you can input a specific amount here, and the required collateral will update dynamically according to how much you choose. Then you will get to this screen where you can review everything. So it is going to take the amount that you included with Bitcoin as collateral. You will see the amount of collateral that you will be given, the loan to value aka LTV, variable interest rate, and the liquidation price. Be aware of the deposit total with the network fee included, and if you are satisfied, choose borrow now. The money will be available right away with the collateral that you selected used. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow against your Bitcoin on Coinbase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.